Aglio e Olio, Italian for a great tasting yet simple recipe. 2 ingredients, garlic and olive oil, and a few more. This version adds sun-dried tomatoes. Let's cook. So, sun-dried tomatoes are tough, chewy, and hard to cut. Let's let them soak for 10 minutes to rehydrate. And garlic. It's the reason for the recipe. So lots is good, more is better. 4 cloves at least. As is traditional, I'll slice them up rather than using my garlic press. And the second part of the name is olive oil. Has to be olive oil. Oil into the pan and add the garlic. This is going to be a one-pan wonder. Just keep adding stuff until it's done. A 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, more if you can stand the heat, and let the garlic brown up a bit. And the pasta. This is fresh from St. Lawrence Market, Radiatori pasta. Love it. Cover with water and let that boil. The tomatoes are moist now, but still have a nice chewy texture. Cut them up into pieces. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And into the pan. We'll stir often to make sure the pasta is covered. I found that the fresh pasta was nicely done in 5 minutes. Dry pasta will take longer and probably need more water. Let's see if it's done. It's pretty good. Most of the water has been absorbed or evaporated, leaving a nice base for the sauce. Chop up some fresh parsley. There's no point in dried parsley in this recipe. And add that to the pan. What a nice color combination it's going to be. A taste test. Needs a bit of salt. It's always easier to add than to take salt away. And the Parmesan cheese will add a bit of salt as well. Mix the cheese in. The amount of water was just right, leaving a nice sticky, cheesy sauce that coats the pasta well. Let's serve it out. A bit more parsley as garnish. And enjoy. And maybe with some crusty Italian bread. That sun-dried tomato added just a bit of color and a nice fruity taste. Amazing. Ingredients: 4 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1/4 cup chopped parsley, half a pound, 2 cups fresh pasta, 1/4 cup chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1/4 cup grated parmesan cheese, 2 cups water to cover, salt to taste.